Hi Tooth Fairies, it's me, Gap. You can call me Vamp, I don't really care. Call me anything but out of my name. But anyways, I'm doing another Get Ready with me today. I left the gal community for a little bit, only because there were a lot of hateful comments towards black GYARUs, and I honestly was just not in a good place to be dealing with that. But now I don't care, so I'm back. Okay, voiceover time. So I'm mixing these two foundations together. I got these off TikTok shop. You can purchase them through my showcase on TikTok. I'm actually sponsored by GYARU, and even though I could not find my shade, the coverage of these are really nice. I do think they just need a wider range of choices. I don't know why I'm dancing, but okay, girl. I look like the peanut butter baby, first and foremost. But we're about to add some depth to my face, so we're going to conceal it. I really only conceal my eye area. I don't conceal pimples. It's never that deep for me. The blending process is so satisfying, but my face looks so dumb when I'm blending my makeup out. But I'm cutting a lot of it out just because it takes forever. This is another product you can cop on my TikTok showcase. It is the Beauty Bakery flour powder. I think it's the plantain one. It's the yellow powder. I love yellow powders more than white powders. White powders make me look a little bit ashy, but I know how to make them work. It's just I prefer the yellow ones. I don't have to do as much with those. Okay, so I do my eyebrows with eyeliner, and you probably think it's crazy. And the way I blend this out is with my old edge toothbrush, y'all. You're probably like, girl, this is ghetto. I'm giving y'all real. Like, I'm giving y'all realistic right now. So now we're about to conceal my brows using the same concealer. I start from the bottom and then do the top, but usually on the other eye, I start from the top and then do the bottom. While we're letting our concealer sit, we are going to wipe off our bake, and look at how smooth and nice it is, y'all. Honestly, this is one of my favorite parts of doing freaking makeup. This freaking concealer wouldn't focus for the life of me, but anyways, I use this one for my eyelid, and I blend the concealer that's already on my eyebrow, or like under my eyebrow, with this concealer on my you know what I mean. This is the part I think a lot of people get confused on. People like to elongate their eye instead of make it droopy, which the whole point is to make your eyes look bigger, and that's why we add white in the inside. So yeah. You're basically making your what is it called, eyeliner go down. It's like a normal wing, but just tilting down to make your eyes look more drooped. I don't know a better word to say. Drooped is the word I'm picking. There is literally no technique to this part. I'm just drawing a bunch of little lines, some longer lines, some thicker ones, some thinner ones. Basically trying to make like actual lashes on the bottom of my eye. Gonna put white eyeliner underneath, and then we're gonna put some in the space where we made our droop. I honestly don't contour like that, but because GYARUs are really going for like a tanner look, even though you can obviously see my brown skin, I just wanted to add more depth to it, so I did. Now we're adding blush on my nose and the side of my cheeks, and I put some on my chin and a little bit on my forehead sometimes. I don't remember if I did that in this video, but I guess I'll see in a second. So now I'm doing the little line in the middle of my nose. You can use white eyeliner for this. I added highlighter and sparkles to mine today, so you're gonna see that as we go on in this video. And now I'm just adding sparkles and highlight to my inner corners, my cheeks, and my cupid's bow. So I'm about to stack my lashes. I have like this small pair and this like really long pair. And I just noticed like I wasn't showing all the products I was using before, but literally like any beauty supply store product works the same. Okay, for my lips, I use brown eyeshadow, and I got this color changing lip gloss from a, what is it called? Press On Nail Shop on TikTok. I forgot what she's called, but if I remember, I'll put it on the screen. If I don't, then girl, ask me and I'll actually look for it. I also added this pink watermelon gloss that I got from the beauty supply store, because the other lip gloss is kind of like a oil texture, and I wanted something thick that would stay for long. Hold on, let me get my light a little bit more.